Welcome to Module 1. Now, before we go through Module 1, let me just check to make sure you watched this orientation video, right? You clicked here. See where it says click here to begin the course? You click there to begin the course. And you, of course, went through this. Welcome and beware. You went through the syllabus. And now you're ready. You've clicked on Module 1. Only after you've done all that other stuff and you clicked here to get where we are now. Okay, so each module is organized pretty much the same way. Up here, we may have a few things to start out with. Here, what is economics? How rational are we? An interesting video by Paul Solomon, economics correspondent for PBS. And the basics of graphing, another Paul Solomon video. You definitely want to watch this. There are going to be a few very simple graphs in the course. Graphing is kind of the language of economics. So we're not going to see any algebra or calculus or anything like that. Even in basic arithmetic, I don't, we're pretty, this is a really intuitive based course. And but we do see some basic graphs. So this is a really nice review, about 10 minutes long, is all. And then if there is a class discussion, and about half the modules have class discussions, about every other one, I'll have a lot more to say about class discussions in the Introduction to Module 2 video. So we'll wait till then. But this one is just to get to know each other. Just click on that, introduce yourself, and that's pretty self-explanatory, I think. Then the next section is Connect, McGraw-Hill Connect. And there will be textbook reading. There will be some homework problems and an exam. Each module has its own exam. So we don't have a separate exam, for the course. We don't have a midterm or a final exam. Each module has an exam. So you approach it just that way. I'll come back to this here in a second. And then the next part is Economics USA. Some great videos on various economic issues. So anyway, let me address one thing that students sometimes say some of these videos are old. Well, that's how we know what we know about economics is through history. Things have happened. There were events that happened that economists studied and figured out and learned from. And so, yeah, some of the case studies are older. But that's some of these are the best examples of economics. But anyway, what you're going to do with Economics USA is these videos are about a half-hour long, each one of them. And they each have 3 case studies, about 10 minutes long, each of them. So they're comprised of 3 10-minute case studies. And what you're going to do is write a brief summary. So first here, how to write and submit Economics USA summaries. Let's click on that. And you see an example of the very first video you're going to watch. So anyway, this says what I just told you, and just write a brief summary of each case study. That's it. And then this is the actual video. Okay, so there we are. Just click play. Okay, I'm sure you've done that before. And well, where am I? and you'll submit. Write your summaries in some kind of word processor, Word or Google or whatever, some word processor. Save it. You'll want to do that anyway, in case something were to go wrong. When you cut and paste and you don't save it, students have had to do the whole thing again. So open up a file somewhere and save your summaries. And this again explains it, but click on here. And then you just, well, this re-summarizes again what to do. And then you just attach it. Okay, attach it. And submit it. And that's the Economics USA part of things. And you see the grade weighting in the syllabus. This, I think this is 25%, I believe, of your grade. The class discussions are 10% of your grade, and so on. So that's all in the syllabus. So let's go back. Okay. So what you do, just kind of go through here, introduce yourself, just start at the top and click your way down. That way you never miss anything. And we've gone over the Economics USA part. Now, the Connect, this is a little more involved. And so I'm going to go through that with you. I'm going to be waiting right here, okay, with another video, how to do homework in Connect. And I'll go through all this, and I'll actually go in and kind of show you what it's like and what to do. And so the next step is I'll be waiting for you right here, how to do homework in Connect.